Hello students, I am Mohammad Asim. In last lecture we started the topic scales and maps, and we did some examples related to this topic. Today we are going to do some past papers questions from this topic. But before I start past papers questions, first have a look two important definitions which is very useful when we do past papers questions or other questions from book. First definition is area scale. The area scale of a map is the square of its linear scale. It means when you have given linear scale, you just convert linear scale into area scale by squaring on both sides. For example, if the scale of the map is 1 centimeter to 2 kilometer, then its area 1 centimeter to 2 kilometer, then its area scale is 1 centimeter square to 2 kilometer square. 1 square is 1, so 1 centimeter square, 2 square is 4. 1 centimeter square, 4 kilometer square. It means 1 centimeter square on the map represent 4 kilometer square on its actual value. Definition number 2, volume scale. The volume scale of a map is the cube of its linear scale. It means if you have given linear scale, you just take cube on both sides to convert it into volume scale. For example, if the scale of the map is 1 centimeter to 2 kilometer, then its volume scale is 1 centimeter cube is to 2 kilometer cube. 1 centimeter cube is what? 1 centimeter cube, and 2 kilometer cube is what? 2 cube is 8, km cube is km cube. So it means 1 centimeter cube on the map represent 8 kilometer cube on its actual value. With the help of these two definition and previous definition of linear scale, we are going to start past paper question. Question number 1. A model of a tanker is made using a scale of 1:20. Student, when you have given 1:, something without any measurement, like without centimeter or without meter or without kilometer, so 1:20 means 1 centimeter represent on the map 20 centimeter on its actual value. Part A of the question. The length of the tanker is 15 meter. Calculate the length in centimeter of the model. Of the model or on the map is same. So the solution is given that 1 centimeter to represent 20 centimeter. So first we have to convert this 1 centimeter to 20 centimeter means 1 centimeter on the model and 20 centimeter on its actual value. So 1 centimeter, first we have to convert 20 centimeter into meter. How to convert? You know, 1 meter has 100 centimeter. So we have to convert 20 centimeter divided by 100. 20 5 is 100, 1 upon 5, which is equals to 0.2 meter. So 1 centimeter 20 centimeter or 1 centimeter represents 0.2 meter. And the question is, the length of the tanker is 15 meter. So 15 meter and the length on the model is represent x. Then cross multiply 15 by 1. 15 ones are 15, x into 0.2, 0.2x. Now find the value of x. This 0.2 is multiply, this should divide on other side. So 15 divided by 0.2 is equals to x. How to eliminate decimal from 0.2? Just multiply and divide by 10. 15 tens are 150 and 0.2 tens are 2 equals to x. 150 upon 2 is 75. 75 centimeter is the value of x. Hence the length in centimeter of the model is 75 centimeter. Hope you understand this part. So the key point is to convert. You have two choices actually. Whether you convert 20 centimeter into 0.2 meter, or you convert the given value 15 meter into centimeter, you will get same answer. But you must convert. Actually, you always remember, if this one is centimeter, this one is also centimeter. If this one is meter, this one is also meter. If this one is centimeter, this one is also centimeter. So these two quantities must be in same unit, and these two quantities must be in same unit. Okay. Now see the next part. The next part is, the model holds 12 liters of liquid. Calculate the number of liters the tanker will hold. Very easy. I hope you understand the definition of area scale, therefore I am running this. Given scale is part B, 1 centimeter to 20 centimeter. Student, what is given? The model holds 12 liters. 12 liters. Student, liters means the volume is given. The volume is given because liter is the unit of volume. Therefore, we first convert the given linear scale into volume scale. How to convert given linear scale into volume scale? Take this definition. This definition tells you that you just taking cube on both sides. So 1 centimeter cube, 20 centimeter cube. So this is 1 centimeter cube, 20 centimeter cube. 20 cube means 20 by 20 by 20. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8,000 centimeter cube. Now, the model holds 12 liters. This represents 1 centimeter cube on the model and 8,000 centimeter cube on its actual value. So if you put this 12 liter in below the value of 1 centimeter cube, so this is wrong because this is centimeter cube and this is liter. Now you have two choices, whether you convert this centimeter cube into liter or you convert this liter into centimeter cube. So it is easy to convert this 12 liter into centimeter cube. You must know 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Therefore 12 liter is equals to 1000 into 12, which is 12,000 centimeter cube. So 12 liters represent 12,000 centimeter cube, and the requirement is calculate the number of liter that the tanker will hold. The actual value we can represent actual value is X. I hope you understand. This is very important and very interesting part. Now cross multiply X by 1, something multiply by X is always 1. So X multiplied by 1 is X, and 12,000 multiplied by 8,000. So X is equals to 12 multiplied by 8 is 96. 12 adds a 96. 1 2 3 1 2 3. So total 6 zeros. 3 3. Answer is in centimeter cube. But if you want to convert, first of all, this is your answer. But if the requirement is, for example, if the requirement is to write the answer in liters, no problem. You can easily convert this centimeter cube into liters, because you know 1 liters is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So if you go from smaller to bigger quantity, you always divide. Therefore 96123 divide by 1000. So this converted into liters. When you convert centimeter cube into liters, you always divide by 1000. So x is equals to 30, cancel by 30. The answer is 96,000 liters. This is your final answer. Very important and very interesting part. I hope you understand. What was the question? The model holds 12 liters of liquid. Calculate the number of liters. Student, actually the requirement is to given the answer in liters. Therefore, we converted the given value into liters. Sorry, this is 96,000 liters. I hope you understand. Okay, so now see question number 2. What is question number 2? A map is drawn to a scale of 1:40,000. Part A. Find the 1:400,000. Find the actual distance in kilometers represented by 7 centimeters on the map. Solution. Very easy part. Given a scale in 1:400,000 means 1 centimeter represent on the map and 400,000 centimeter represent on its actual value. What I told you, whenever you see the value 1 something without unit, you always say 1 centimeter to represent something centimeter. According to question, find the actual distance in kilometer represented by 7 centimeter. So student, first you have to convert this 400,000 centimeter into kilometer. How? You must know 1 kilometer represent 100,000 centimeter. So when we convert centimeter into kilometer, because we are going from smaller to bigger quantity, we must divide by 100,000. So 400,000. Okay, in next step 400,000 divide by 100,000. So these 5 zeros cancel by these 5 zeros. The answer is 4 kilometers. Therefore, our scale is 1 centimeter to 4 kilometer. Now, see the question. Find the actual distance in kilometer represented by 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter is on the map, represent x. X 1 is x. 7 4 is 28 kilometer is our answer. Okay, students. So this is question number 2, part A. Now, see part B of question number 2. All questions which I am doing, I took from past papers. Part B. Part B is a city covers an area of 100 square kilometers, find in square centimeter the area represented the city on the map. A city covers an area of 800 square kilometer. Find in square centimeter the area represented this city on the map. What is scale is given? The scale is 1 centimeter is 4 kilometer. So students, this is linear scale and the question is related to area scale. So first we need to convert this linear scale into area scale. How to convert? Just taking square on both sides. 1 centimeter square, 1 square is 1 and 4 square is 16 kilometer square or square kilometer. Now see the question. A city covers an area of 800 kilometer square. So this is the actual value. Actual value is 800 kilometer square. Find in centimeter square the area represented city on the map. So on the map is x. So answer is x multiplied by 16 is equals to 800 by 1. 800 by 1 is 800. So x is equals to this 16 is multiply. This should divide on other side. 16 1 is 16. 16 5 is 80. 50. So the answer is 50 square centimeter. It means 800 kilometer square is actual area and 50 centimeter square is represented on the map. I hope you understand. You can see very easy questions if you know the basic concept. See question number 3. Question number 3 is on a map the length of a lake is 4.5 centimeters. The actual length of the lake is 2.7 kilometers. Write the scale of the map as a ratio in the form 1:n. This is question number 3. So according to question, on a map the length of a lake is 4.5 centimeter. The actual length of the lake is 2.7 kilometer. So solution is 4.5 centimeter on the map, which is represent 2.7 kilometer is on actual value. We need to convert the given scale on 1:n. 1:n. Student, when we have to find the scale in this form 1:n, first of all both the values, both the scale must be converted into centimeter. So this is already in centimeter, but this is in kilometer. How to convert kilometer into centimeter? We just multiply it by 100,000. So 4.5 centimeter, 2.7 multiplied by 100,000 is 270,000. Now this is converted in the same scale. 4.5 centimeter represent 270,000 centimeter. But you need to convert into 1:n. So first value must be in 1. Therefore 1 centimeter represent x. So x multiplied by 4.5 is equals to 270,000 multiplied by 1 is always 270,000. Okay, so this 4.5 is multiplied over here. This should be divided by 270,000. 4.5. When you divide 270,000 by 4.5, you will get 60,000. This is paper 2 question, so you can use calculator. Okay, so our answer is, what is the requirement? The requirement is to convert the scale into 1:n. So this is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter represent x. What is the value of x? 60,000 centimeter. Therefore, our requirement is 1:n. Just cancel this centimeter by this centimeter and write the answer in this form. 1:60,000. This is our answer. So in order to write the scale into 1:n form, first step is to always convert it both the sides into centimeter. Okay, I hope you understand this part. Very easy and very important part. See question number 4. All questions which I am doing, I took from past papers. Question number 4. The scale of a map is 1:25,000. Part A. The scale can be written as 1 centimeter to d kilometer. Find D. Solution. Very easy. The scale of a map is 1:25,000. Again, you are seeing the scale in the form of 1:something and without unit. Therefore, this represent 1 centimeter on the map represent 25,000 centimeter is on actual value. The scale can be written as 1 centimeter to d kilometer, means we must convert this centimeter into kilometer. How to convert? When we convert centimeter into kilometer, we just divide by 100,000. These 30 cancel by these 30 and 2500 is just 0.25 kilometer. What is the requirement? The requirement is to write the scale can be written as 1 centimeter to d kilometer. This is 1 centimeter to 0.25 kilometer. Therefore, the value of d is 0.25. This is our final answer. Hope you understand. Part B. Part B is the distance between two villages is 8 kilometer. Find the distance in centimeter between two villages on the map. Solution. So scale is given 1:1 centimeter represent 0.25 kilometer, and the given value is the distance between two villages is 8 kilometer. Therefore this is actual value 8 kilometer, and we want to convert 8 kilometer into centimeters. So just write x. 8 multiply by 1, we always cross multiply. When we do this topic, we always cross multiply. 8 1 is 8, x into 0.525. So 8 upon 0.25 is equals to x. So the answer of x is 8 upon 0.025 is 32. So 32 centimeter is our answer. You can find, you can just check, divide 8 divided by 0.25. Next part, part C. Part C is the distance between the peaks of two mountains is measured on the map is 76 millimeter. Calculate the distance in kilometer between two peaks. Very easy, no problem. Given scale is 1 centimeter to represent 0.25 kilometer. Okay. The distance between the peaks of two mountains is measured on the map is 76 millimeter. So first we must convert this value on the map 76 millimeter into centimeter. Student, you must know 1 centimeter consists of 10 millimeter. So this is a smaller quantity. When we go from a smaller quantity to a bigger quantity, we must divide. Therefore, we must divide 76 by 10. The answer is 7.6 centimeter. So 1 centimeter represents 0.25 kilometer. Therefore, 7.6 centimeter represent x. Now, cross multiply. X by 1 is x. And 7.6 by 0.25, which is equals to 1.1 kilometer. 1.9, sorry. 1.9 kilometer answer. You can check, you can confirm this answer by multiply. So this is our question number 4. Come to question number 5. I hope you understand. And I assure you, after today's class, you will be able to do each and every question of this topic. Question number 5. A map is drawn to a scale of 2 centimeter to 5 kilometer. Part A. 2 towers are 9 kilometer apart. Calculate the distance between them on the map. Very easy. What scale is given? 2 centimeter to 5 kilometer. And the question is, the two towers are 9 kilometers. So this is actual value and this is x. Cross multiply. 9 by 2 is 18. X by 5 is 5x. Then 18 upon 5 is equals to x. Then x is equals to 18 upon 5 is 3.6 centimeters. This is our answer of part A. Part B. On the map, a town covers an area of 4 centimeter square. Calculate its actual area. Very easy. What scale is given? 2 centimeter to 5 kilometer. But here we need to convert this linear scale into area scale because the requirement is to find the area. How to convert linear scale into area scale? Just squaring on both sides. So this is 2 square is 4 centimeter and this is 5 square is 25 kilometer square. On the map, a town covers an area of 4 centimeter square. So this is 4 centimeter square and this is x. So x by 4 is 4x. 4 by 25 is 100. Then x is equals to 100 upon 4, which is 25 kilometer square. I hope you understand. Okay. C, part C. What is part C of this question? Number 5. Part C is express this scale of the map in the form 1:n. Very easy. What is the scale? The scale is 2 centimeter to represent 5. 2:5. 2 centimeter is to 5 kilometer. Whenever we convert the scale into 1:2 something form, we always converted both the scale are in centimeter. So this is already in centimeter and this 5 kilometer. You know, 1 kilometer is equals to 100,000 centimeter. So 5 kilometer means 500,000. 500,000 centimeter. But the requirement is to write into 1:2 something. Therefore, this is 1 centimeter. This is x. X by 2 is 2x. 500 centimeter. 500,000 centimeter. This x, this 2 is multiplied. This should be divide on other side. So 500,000 upon 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 25s are 50. So our answer is 25,000 centimeter. Therefore, this is 25,000, not 250,000, not 25,000, 250,000. So 250,000 centimeters. Hence, our requirement is, what is our requirement? Our requirement is to write the value in 1:n. Now, this is 1 centimeter. On the map represent 250,000 centimeter on its actual scale. Cancel this centimeter by this centimeter. Your answer, final answer should be 1:250,000. So 1 is on the map, represent 250,000 on its actual value. Now, see question number 6. What is question number 6 is? Question number 6, the distance between two towns, is 225 kilometers. On a map with a scale of 1 centimeter, represent 50 kilometer. How far apart would the towns be? Solution. What is the question? The distance between two towns is 225 kilometer on a map with a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 50 kilometer. So given scale is 1 centimeter to represent 50 kilometer, how far apart would the town be? So we have to convert 225 is on actual value. 225 is on actual value. Therefore, this is x. 225 by 1, 225. X by 50 is x by 50. Therefore, 225. This 50 is multiplied. This should divide. 225 divided by 50 is 225 divided by 50. 50 2s are 25 2s are 50, 25 9s are. So 9 upon 2 is 4.5. So x is equals to 4.5 centimeter. Therefore, our answer is 4.5 centimeter. It means 1 centimeter on the map represent 50 kilometer. Therefore, 4.5 centimeter on the map represent 225 kilometer. I hope you understand this question. Now, see question number 7. What is question number 7 is? Question number 7. The scale of a map is 1:20,000. Find the distance in kilometer of a road represented by 5 hole 1/2 centimeter on the map. Solution: whenever you see 1:2 something without unit, it means 1 centimeter represent 20,000 centimeter. So student, in this topic, if you remember important points, that when scale is given 1:20,000, or how to convert the linear scale into area scale, how to convert the linear scale into volume scale, the question becomes very easy. So 1 centimeter to represent 20,000 centimeter, therefore 5 whole 1/2 means 5.5 centimeter represent x. Find the distance in kilometer, but first we convert this distance into kilometer. So 1 centimeter represent 20,000. How to convert centimeter into meter? Divide by 100,000. So 1 centimeter, this 40 cancel by these 40, 2/10 is 0.2. So our new scale is 1 centimeter represents 0.2 kilometer, and find the distance in kilometer of a road represented by 5.5 centimeter. So 5.5 centimeter represent x. X by 1 is x, and 5.5 by 0.2 is 1.1 kilometer. You can confirm this answer by multiply 5.5 by 0.2. Okay, next question. Question number 8. I hope you understand. It's very easy question. Question number 8. Given that 1 centimeter on a map represent 2 kilometer on the ground. Calculate the area of a park on the map if the actual area of the park is 10 kilometer square. Okay student, given that 1 centimeter on a map represent 2 kilometer, so 1 centimeter represent 2 kilometer. Calculate the area. So it means first we convert this linear scale into area scale. How? Just taking square on both sides. So 1 centimeter square is 1 centimeter square, 2 kilometer square is 4 kilometer square. Calculate the area of a park on the map of the, if the actual area of the park is 10. So this is 10 kilometer square. This is x. So 4 by x is equals to 10 ones 10. So x is equals to 10 by 4, which is 2.5 centimeter square. Therefore 1 centimeter square represent 4 kilometer square, therefore 10 kilometer square represent 2.5 centimeter square. This is our answer. Move to question number 9. Question number 9 is, on a scale of 1 centimeter to 2 kilometer, the plan of the field measured 5 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter on the map. Find the actual area of the field. So solution is given 1 centimeter to represent 2 kilometer, because the question is related to area, hence we must convert it into linear scale into area scale. 1 centimeter square is 1 centimeter square and 2 kilometer square is 4 kilometer square. Now see carefully, the plan of the field measure 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter by means multiply 3.5 centimeter. So multiply 5 by 3. 5 by 3.5 is 17.5. 5 by 3.5 is 17.5. Centimeter by centimeter is centimeter square. So 1 centimeter square represents 4 kilometer square. Therefore 17.5 centimeter square represent x. So x by 1 is x and 17.5 multiplied by 4 is 70 kilometer square. X by 1 is x, 17.5 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 70 kilometer square. Hence 17.5 centimeter square on the plan represent 70 kilometer square is actual area. Now last question of this topic, and I hope you fully understand how to deal questions related to this topic, scales and maps. Question number 10. The scale of a map is 1:20,000. 1:20,000. Find the area on the map which represents 124 kilometer square. So student, 1:20,000 means given that 1 centimeter represent 20,000 centimeter. 1 centimeter, convert this 20,000 centimeter into kilometer. Divide by, how to convert? Just divide by 100,000. So 1 centimeter is represent 40 cancel by 40. 2 upon 10 is 0.2 kilometer. See the question. Find the area on the map which represent 124 kilometer square. So these we are talking about question is related to area. Therefore we must convert it into area scale. 1 centimeter square is 1 centimeter square and 0.2 kilometer square is 0.04 kilometer square. What is the question? Find the area on the map which represent 124 kilometer square. Represent x. 124 by 1 is 124. X by 0.04 is x into 0.04. Therefore 124, this 0.04 is multiplied, this should divide. 124 upon 0.04 is 3100. So x is equals to 3100 centimeter square. So this is question number 10, and I hope you fully understand this topic, scales and maths. I have done almost all questions from years 90s to 2018. Student, kindly do practice more and more and more. If you do practice, you will be good in maths. You can easily get distinction in math, but you need practice. Okay student, this is our today's class. We have successfully finished this whole topic, scales and maths. But if you still have some problem and if you feel any difficulty, kindly write in comment box. I will help you. Surely I will help you. Student, kindly subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button so that you can get all of my videos as early as possible. Kindly like my videos and share my videos to other your O-level friends as well. Okay students, see you next class.